Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddie Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks for using green screen. Whether you're new or advanced to using green screen, you'll probably find something useful here, so stay tuned. When you first start out, it's not necessary to purchase an expensive green screen set like many sold online. While those are great, including the Elgato, those can wait until later on. When first starting, a simple green cloth will suffice, as long as it's fairly opaque and you set it up so there's no light shining from behind. Ensure there are no creases or wrinkles, as that can also cause issues. Going this route initially will allow you to work with green screen effects and then let you evaluate later on if it's worth investing in a more professional screen. As an added note, you can also paint a wall green. If you have a specific setup where you record your content from and have no issues with a green wall, go for it. Let's talk about lighting. Lighting can make or break your green screen effect. You can invest in hundreds of dollars in lights just as you could getting a professional green screen. Or you could use lamps you already have around your house. The key is, no pun intended, is to fill the area with light. You want an even spread of light across the green screen. Ensure you're not sitting or standing close to your green screen as well, as any shadows can also cause issues. When using lamps and lights you already have, the only investment will be in the actual bulbs. You'll want to find fluorescent bulbs that have a white color to them and avoid yellow hues. You can also search for photography lights on Amazon, and you should come across quite a selection. These bulbs will have less noise and flicker and be pure white. They aren't all that expensive either, running about $30 for 2 or 3 depending on the seller. While that may be a bit high, this will be the biggest expense you have to get started. And one more little tip for this section: if you record and film during daylight hours and your setup's near a window, by all means have natural light help you. Last but not least, try virtual cam software like XSplit VCam. XSplit VCam is a small but powerful tool that will help you remove backgrounds a la green screen, but of course, no green screen necessary. To get the most out of software like this, make sure your setup's in an area that has a wall of a solid color. If there are tons of things in the background or funky wallpaper, all of that will make the software work harder and give you an undesired effect. So remember, solid wall, doesn't really matter the color, and good lighting. The software does most of the work for you with one click. I'll include a link below in the description for XSplit VCam if you want to try it out for yourselves. It also gives you 10% off. And that wraps up this episode with some green screen tips and tricks. I've been using green screen for about 10 years now, so let me know in the comments below what your tips may be to help out others as well. Hit the like button for the episode and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'm Eddie Ray for the Tech Eddie Show. We'll see you back here next time. Thanks for watching.